We're installing a dynamic pedestrian light and Kodiak. The crosswalk is lit all the time, and then a light shines on the pedestrian and moves with the pedestrian as they cross the street, so that they're effectively spot lit as they go across.
So this project came together as a result of Alaska's strong commitment to enhancing pedestrian safety. We worked very closely with DOT and PF to bring life-saving technology into a real traffic environment.
Kodiak has some of the requirements to meet the needs of the system, and that is a marked crosswalk at an unsignalized intersection. We want to make sure that if we improve safety by lighting a crosswalk, we don't decrease safety by distracting drivers when they should be paying attention to a traffic signal.
Alaska presents unique challenges with long periods of darkness and harsh weather. Now, these conditions increase pedestrian risk and demand smarter solutions.
We would like to see these dynamic pedestrian lights installed at more locations around the state. We always want to improve pedestrian safety whenever possible, and we think this has potential to do that throughout Alaska.
The system uses our proprietary neural network technology specifically to recognize human movement. It filters out false positives like animals, shadows, blowing debris, and vehicles. The goal is to make pedestrians unmistakably visible to drivers. Now, the system is part of a larger effort to move forward towards smarter and safer roadways that protect people and save lives throughout the state.
Even in environments where funding is not limited, public-private partnerships allow us to ensure that we're using new technology, we're working well with the contracting community and vendors around the country, and getting the most we can for Alaskans. I hope Alaskans feel safer as they cross the street. I hope it increases everyone's comfort level in being a pedestrian in Alaska. And I hope that they appreciate the new technology and the way that DOT and PF is modernizing the transportation system for Alaska.